Hi everyone, welcome to our cooking show.
Today we are making something really tasty, fried chicken.
Yeah, we will show you how to make it crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside.
We will go through each step so you can try it at home too.
First, we need to marinate the chicken. Put the chicken pieces in a bowl and pour buttermilk over them.
Make sure all the chicken is covered in buttermilk. This will make it tender. Put the bowl in the fridge for at least 2 hours or oven overnight if you can.
While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare our breading. We will need 3 bowls.
In the first bowl, mix flour with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. This will give the chicken lots of flavor.
In the second bowl, whisk some egg together.
The third bowl is for plain flour.
Now, take the chicken out of the fridge. Put each piece in the seasoned flour first.
Then, dip the chicken in the egg mixture.
Finally, coat the chicken in the plain flour one more time. This will make it extra.
Now it's time to fry. Heat some oil in a pot to 350 degrees. Be careful, the oil is very hot.
Put a few pieces of chicken in the hot oil slowly and carefully. Don't put too many at once, or the oil will cool down.
Cook the chicken until it's golden brown and cook all the way through. About 10 to 12 minutes. You can use a thermometer to check if it's done.
Take the chicken out of the oil and put it on a plate with paper towel to drain the extra oil.
Cook all the chicken pieces the same way.
And there you have it. Delicious homemade fried chicken.
Enjoy it with your favorite sides.
Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.